Hi students. Yes, we are living in India. In this session, we are going to discuss that is India an introduction. Yes, we are the citizens of India and you are the children in India and we are living in India. We have to know about our mother country. India is our mother country. That's why we have to know about India, India's geographical conditions, India's political conditions, all these things we have to know. Yes, in this lesson we are going to know about India. Yes, see India, this is India and Indian physical features we have to know. India is the seventh largest country in area. India is the seventh largest country in area. Yes, if you observe the first, which is the first largest country in area? Russia. Russia is the first largest country in area. And second one is Canada. Second one is Canada. Third one, China. Fourth one, America, USA. Fifth one, Brazil. Sixth one, Australia. And seventh one is India. Yes, in India, if you observe from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari in India, yes, we are having 3,214 kilometers length. This is called length. And from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, here Kanyakumari, Cape Comorin. And from Kashmir to Cape Comorin, how many kilometers? 3,214 kilometers. And from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, that means from west to east, how many kilometers? 2,933 kilometers. Yes, here this is the width of India. Yes, if you see in India, India is a big plains are there, Indo-Gangetic Plain, Gangetic Plain and Brahmaputra river, and these are called as big rivers. Indus Plain, Indus. Yes, we are having the perennial rivers in India. What are the perennial rivers? Perennial rivers means Indus, Ganges and Brahmaputra. Yes, in India we are having catching hills, high mountains, spread plateaus, forests and highlands and Andaman Nicobar Islands. Andaman Nicobar Islands. And we are having 6 physical divisions in India. Yes, all these things we are going to learn in this lesson. Yes, here India is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. In southern part of Asia. Yes, India is located in southern part of Asia. Asia is the largest continent, as you know very well. Asia is the largest continent and India is the 7th largest country in area and second largest, India is the second largest populated country. India is the second largest populated country. Yes, China is the largest populated country. Firstly, China is the first largest populated country in the world. After China, our country only, India is the second largest populated country. Yes, we have to know in area, India occupies 7th place. In population, India occupies 2nd place. Okay, that is about our country. And if you see from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Kashmir to Kanyakumari. And here India is having islands also. What are the islands? In Bay of Bengal. In the eastern side, what is there? Bay of Bengal. In the western side, Arabian Sea. In the southern side, Indian Ocean. Yes, here these are all the borders for India. In the north, we are having the Himalaya mountains. Here, Himalaya mountains are there in India. These are Himalaya mountains. Yes, here we have to observe that in the northern side, we are having Himalaya mountains. In the southern side, Indian Ocean. In the eastern side, we are having Bay of Bengal. And in the western side, we are having Arabian Sea. These are the borders of India. These are the borders of India. Yes, we have to know about our mother country. Yes, as we are the citizens of India, as we are living in India, we must know about our mother country. We must know about our mother country. Yes, here, yes, we are discussing about islands. Islands. India is having Andaman and Nicobar Islands in Bay of Bengal. What is an island? Island means a land mass, a land area which is having four sides water. If the land is having four sides water, that is called an island. An island. Yes, here Andaman Nicobar Islands are there for India in Bay of Bengal. Here nearly 204 islands are there in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And in the Arabian Sea, we are having Lakshadweep Islands. These are called Lakshadweep Islands. Yes, here totally we are having 6,100 kilometers islands. And total, including the islands, we are having 70,500 kilometers coastline. We have the coastline of 7,500 kilometers coastline. Yes, here we are having, this is the west coast and this is the east coast. What is a coast? The land part on the seashore, that is called coastal area. Coastal area means the seashore area. This is the west coast and this is the east coast in India. Yes, and it shares the common land boundaries. That is here in the western side we are having Pakistan and Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar. This is Myanmar. Myanmar, once upon a time it was called as Burma. Myanmar was called as Burma. Yes, here we are having the land frontier of India. Yes, land frontier of India. We are having land frontier of India 15,200 kilometers. 15,200 kilometers land frontier for border with the other countries. Land frontier means India is having land border with other countries. That means Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Tibet and Bhutan. These are our neighboring countries and these are having borders with India. And which country is having longest border? Yes, here Bangladesh. If you see, this is Bangladesh is having the longest border with India. And afterwards China is having the second longest border with India. Between India and China, there is a border. You know, nowadays if you see, there is a tension between India and China. Recently, so many incidents are going on. Are you observing? Are you observing in TV? No? Yes, that's why recently in this week also, there is a tension between India and China regarding the border. The Chinese people are trying to cross the border of India and they are trying to enter into Indian territory. So that's why between India and China, what borderline we are having? India and China, McMahon line. Between India and China, we are having McMahon line. Between India and Pakistan, we are having Radcliffe line. And between India and Afghanistan, we are having Durand line. See these border lines between India and China is called McMahon line. This is McMahon line between India and China. Between India and Pakistan, here we are having Radcliffe line. Afghanistan, only 80 kilometers border India is having with Afghanistan. That is called Durand line. Yes, that's why India is having this kind of borders and neighboring countries. We are having our neighboring countries, and between the India and other countries, we are having the borders, international borders. Yes, if you see in India, in the northern side, what we are having? Himalayas. In the southern side, what we are having? Indian Ocean. Yes, if you observe, these are the borders of India. And Nirmalasura Ganga Jala Sangama Kshetram Rangula Hari Villulu Vera Sillina Desam Bharata Desam Mana Janma Pradesam Bharata Kandam Oka Amruta Bandam. Like this, as here India is having this kind of borders. Yes. Afterwards, what are the political divisions in India? In India, we are having how many states? 28 states now. 28 states and 9 union territories, UTs. 28 states and 9 union territories we are having in India. Recently, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, what he did, he cancelled the 370 article. By cancellation of the 370 article, Jammu Kashmir is not a state now. It is not in the list of the states in India. It became 2 union territories. Jammu Kashmir is divided into 2 union territories. One is Jammu and Kashmir and the another one is here. It is divided into 2 union territories. This is J and K, Jammu and Kashmir. This is Ladakh union territory. Earlier, only 7 union territories were there, but nowadays we are having 9 union territories. Why? Jammu Kashmir is cancelled as a state and it became divided into 2 union territories. That's why now how many states are there in India? How many states? 28 states. 28 states are there in India. How many union territories are there in India? 9 union territories are there in India. Yes, we have to know about all the political divisions about India. And the union territories, if you observe, Delhi is the union territory. And afterwards, Andaman Nicobar Islands also union territory. Lakshadweep also union territory. And afterwards, Dadra and Nagar Haveli here. And Pondicherry or Puducherry, that is also union territory. And Chandigarh in Punjab, Chandigarh city is also union territory. and National Capital Territory, that is NCT, Delhi, Puducherry, and these are all the union territories. Now Jammu Kashmir also is divided into two union territories. And which is the largest state in India? Do you know which is the largest state in India? In area, Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state in India. Which is the smallest state in area? That is Goa. Goa is the smallest state in area. And which is the largest state in population? Largest state in population is Uttar Pradesh. Here Uttar Pradesh. And which is the smallest state in population is Sikkim. Sikkim is the smallest state in population. That's why we have to understand the largest states in India and smallest state. And here in India we have to know about the geographical conditions. What are the geographical conditions of India? And if you see, in India, 6 physical divisions are there in India. There are 6 physical divisions. Yes, first one is Himalayas. And the second one is Indo-Gangetic Plain.